Greetings to everyone. Greetings, dear community members, and thank you, EOS Summit 2019, for having Meet.One over here and watching us. So today I would like to share some updates from Meet.One projects and what we have done in 2019. Basically, we're glad to share some progress, and I would like to tell first of all about the Meet.One block producer in our infrastructure. So you can check our infrastructure on block producer reliability tool and made by Aloha EOS or another tools, and you can see that we maintain our servers in such a way that we can have the lower latency and have a faster block production, and we really take care about dropping the blocks because this is not good for our network. So it's very important that we are cooperating together, guys, and we need to make EOS network more stable and more strong. We are one of the Asian APIs whose API receiving the most requests. So basically, we're processing right now over 100 million requests every day with the peak QPS more than 8,000. So we provide our API for hundreds of different dApps which are using Meet.One wallet as a portal to get into their dApp. It's basically mobile dApps such as playing and different gambling games and other things. Besides the games, there is different tools and different kind of supporting and helping tools on EOS, such as explorers or bidding on different names, etc. As an active VP, Meet.One participating in multi-sig proposals such as supporting REX, private key loss recovery, EOS mainnet CPU parameters adjustment, and burning EOS tokens accumulated on EOS.io saving account. So we are really happy to improve this network and participate in different governance solutions for their community and for improving the network and making it better for people. Another thing I would like to say about is the MongoDB plugin, which is important in producing large blocks. So our technical team participated in improving and writing a code for this plugin, which making faster multiple times in opening the large blocks. Additionally, I would like to talk about standardized domain name solution, which we are cooperating with .lux extension with the project called mmx.com. The solution given possibility for users or for business owners to create your own domain with extension .lux, for example, dima.lux. In same time, you can use this domain as in your cryptocurrency account. So you can send different tokens to this domain as a public key. You can use it as a public key and send different tokens over there. Different tokens, I mean, like it can be Bitcoin, or it can be EOS, or it can be Ethereum, or another chain's tokens, which people can receive on their wallets by using one address. So in such case, there is less chance to mess with address and lost tokens in different just lost tokens because of wrong transaction. This is good solution, and I think and our team think it will have very big impact in future in growing the whole blockchain network. Another project I would like to talk about is Meet.One chain. Is a side chain of EOS, which given possibility to lower threshold on registering new accounts and new users on it. So accounts on EOS have some expenses, but accounts on Meet.One almost for free, because our resources is almost free. So if we say we have CPU, some costs, or RAM cost. In Meet.One, these costs are extremely cheap. I would like to add that this year was successful for Meet.One to land two projects such as Memcan and Dilly, which gave Meet.One chain registered more than 2 million users. You can find more information about it in our news. So you can open our Meet.One wallet, and you can find this information in our news about Memcan. There's basically a lot of news about EOS in our wallet. Mostly is about EOS. If I start to talk about our wallet, this is our main product, and we keep improving it and developing. The last update from Meet.One wallet is creating solution for CPU, which is called Rocket. It's called CPU Baula, or rocketing your CPU for users. We know that we have problems right now. It's congestion mode, and there is solution to get out from it is just to get more CPU so you can make transaction on EOS. And here is CPU solution you can find on assets page on the top. There is a small rocket, you pressing on it, and you can solve this problem. Additionally, talking about the projects, we have discovery page where you can find a lot of depth in different tools on EOS. Another thing is in use, and on the Me page you can switch between different networks. So Meet.One supporting not only EOS but supporting also in other networks. Why we support in other networks? Because we are looking for more community to participate in the project. It's very important more people participating in using our products, so we can get more traction and we can get more usage worldwide. So we will keep develop our product, and we will keep update about our news on our channel. So you can follow us on Twitter or on the Telegram, or you can use or on different WeChat groups. We have a lot of WeChat groups talking about Meet.One. Additionally, besides wallet, I would like to say a few words about the Max. So you can see on the bottom there is a Max. Max is basically Meet.One exchange. It's aggregator which connecting together different orders from different trading platforms. 3 top trading platform orders you can see on Max, and it's basically OKX, Huobi, or Binance. And trading through the Max, you can get the highest volume, and you can see the rank, and there is a really nice spread, so people have a possibility to do arbitration by using this trading platform. It's a mobile solution which you can find only in Meet.One wallet, integrated inside Meet.One wallet. So you just need to get a registered account, or you can use your account from our past solution, which are called Meet.One. Meet.One accounts are migrated into the Max, so you can log in with your More account. There is KYC process important to pass, and there is important to use Google Authenticator to use it. Additionally to this, I would like to say a couple words about .lux cooperation with mmx.com. mmx.com is a company which taking care about different domains in traditional internet business and also in crypto. So .lux is a solution for domains to be not only domain but be also a wallet address. So if you have different wallet addresses and you want to aggregate them, unify them together for the convenience to send you different tokens, you can use MMX project solution called .lux. .lux is basically extension for different domains. For example, I'm Dimitri. I can create Dmitry.lux domain name, and in same time I can send Bitcoin to this name, and in same time I can say Ethereum or EOS or different cryptocurrencies to this domain. So it's our cooperation with this nice project, and I think it will be very successful in future as far as more bullish market will come, more users will come, more businesses will be looking into the cryptocurrencies. They will use this solution as a payment method, very convenient for them. I would like to say that this year was very productive for us, in case especially springtime. We invite a lot of teams from around the world to participate our Yunchi 2050 EOS meetup, which have been in Hangzhou, and we are happy that they came and participated it. Basically, we discussed many questions, and there we created many content, and we educated many people about the EOS. It was 2 days meetup where people find a good network, find a lot of friends, and just get involved into EOS or get higher vision or expand their knowledge, get their more knowledge about the EOS.io software. And we are looking to cooperation with different teams to create the whole network more efficient, more fast, and more secure. Thank you for watching me. Once again, my name is Dmitry, and I was talking about Meet.One project. Stay positive, and thank you for EOS Summit 2090 for having Meet.One. All right, goodbye.